Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is exciting. I love doing this video every year. I'll be sharing my makeup inventory for 2025 and the ups and downs from the past year. So let's get right into it. If you are new here, my name is Abby and I am a makeup addict. As always, we're starting with face. Serums and oils, I have 0. Starting the year out with 0. Face primers, 5. Eyebrow products, 3. Eyebrow gels and glues, 0 as well. Brow highlighter pencils, 2. Lash glues, 1. Pressed powder, 6. Loose powder, 10. Foundation, 3. Concealers, 5. Concealer palette, 1. Setting sprays, 6. Face and blush palettes, 4. Highlighter palettes, 3. Bronzer single powders, 4. Loose highlighters, 1. Single highlighters, 4. Single blushes, 8. Cream blushes, 4. Moisturizers, 1. Toner sprays, 4. The blue stars indicate this is a new category. So cream face palettes, 1. And cream bronzers, 1. Next up we have lips. Lip oils, 1. Lip scrub, 1. Lip balms, 19. Lipstick removers, 1. Lip primers, 1. Lip gloss, 5. Liquid lipstick, 24. Bullet lipsticks, 21. Lip crayons, 8. Lip liners, 11. Lip mask, 1. And a new category, mini lipsticks, 4. Up next we have eyes. So eyeshadow primers, 4. Pencil eyeliners, 5. Liner pens, 2. Liquid eyeliners, 11. Gel eyeliners, 0. Mascaras, these are broken down into subcategories as well. There's a total of 12 of them altogether, but opened I have 4, unopened 6. Colorful mascaras, 2. 0 primers. Loose glitters, 5. Glitter stack, 1. Liquid and glitter eyeshadows, 1. Now the rest of these are getting into the eyeshadow portion. Cream eyeshadow pots, 2. Eyeshadow pencils, 6. Mineral eyeshadows, 94. I love my mineral eyeshadows. Single eyeshadows, 3. Duo eyeshadows, 2. Trio eyeshadows, 4. Quad eyeshadows, 4. 5 to 9 pan palettes, I have 22 of those. 10 pan palettes, 9. And 12 plus pan palettes, 49. I know, it's a big number. Eyeshadows have always been my weakness. I love collecting eyeshadow. And as always, this was so much fun to do and count up the makeup. And next we're going to do the makeup inventory up and downs compared to 2024. So these numbers are taking 2024 numbers, adding or subtracting from this year's numbers in 2025. Let's get started. I done messed the title up. So this is Makeup Inventory 2025, and these are the ups and downs compared to 2024. Whoops. Face. The serums and oils, there are no new serums and oils this year, down 2. Face primers, down 2. Eyebrow products, down 3. I am happy with some of these products going down, and hopefully won't add too many new products this year either. Eyebrow gels and glue, no gel or glues for this year, so we're down 3, and that eliminates a couple categories already. Brow highlighter pencils stayed the same. Lash glue, down 2. Pressed powder stayed the same. Loose powder is down 1. Foundations, down 2. Concealers, down 2. Concealer palette stayed the same. Setting sprays down 2. Face and blush palettes down 3. I did a lot of decluttering this past year. And some of the numbers don't even reflect it because I was like putting new products into my collection. But overall, I'm pretty happy with where my collection is right now. Face and blush palettes are down 3. Highlighter palette down 3. Bronzer singles, same. Loose highlighters down 2. Single highlighters stayed the same. Single blushes stayed the same. Cream blushes stayed the same. Moisturizers, same. Toner sprays stayed the same. And the 2 new categories, cream face palettes, up 1. And cream bronzer, up 1. Next up we have lips. So the lip oils are down 2. Lip scrub stayed the same. Lip balms, down 2. Lipstick removers stayed the same. Lip primers, same. Lip gloss, same. Liquid lipstick, down 1. Bullet lipsticks, down 1. Lip crayons stayed the same. Lip liners, up 1. Lip masks stayed the same. And mini lipsticks, which was a new category, up 4. Eyes, eyeshadow primers, down 2. Pencil eyeliners, down 8. Liner pens stayed the same. Liquid eyeliners, up 4. Not surprised. I am loving liquid eyeliners and I want all the colors right now. All the glitters, all of it. Gel eyeliners, down 2. So there are no new gel eyeliners or any gel eyeliners in my collection right now. Mascaras, the opened stayed the same. Unopened, down 2. Colorful, same. And primers, same. So no primers this year either. Loose glitters stayed the same. Glitter stack, same. Liquid glitter eyeshadows, down 2. Cream eyeshadow pots, down 20. Decluttered a ton of those. Eyeshadow pencils, down 2. Mineral eyeshadows stayed the same. I'm not parting with any of those. Single eyeshadows, up 1. Duo eyeshadows stayed the same. Trio eyeshadows stayed the same. Quad eyeshadows, up 1. 5 to 9 pan palettes, down 2. 10 pan palettes, down 2. And 12 plus pan palettes, up 3. No surprise there. Love me some eyeshadow palettes. But I am surprised at some of the eyeshadow numbers going down. So I am happy about that. Maybe downsizing a little bit in the eyeshadow area. I need to be stronger about letting go some of those palettes. It's hard. That is the one thing that I want to hang on to. But that was the makeup inventory for 2025 plus the ups and downs. I hope you enjoyed the videos. I will have a makeup collection, a nail polish collection, and some other collection-y kind of videos coming soon, so stay tuned and watch out for those. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links. I thank you so very much for watching.